Hello, I'm Summer Stephan, San Diego County District Attorney. Thank you for joining me for this week's DA News. As we are hearing on the news, and even right here in San Diego, there have been many tragic, terrible cases involving violence against health workers. Doctors, nurses, dentists are a target to this new type of violence. It's on the rise, and this trend is very disturbing. We've set up a task force with the leadership of Scripps Hospital, Chris Van Gorder, and many other hospitals, our office and law enforcement, to look into this disturbing trend and work to stop this tide and make sure that our health workers are safe. They need to be safe. Unfortunately, our laws are really weak. They do not protect our health workers unless the violence is at the level to produce great bodily injury or death. So people can shove and do terrible things and bring about violence and threaten our health workers, and oftentimes it is just a misdemeanor charge. This is very different than what we see in airports and on airplanes, where the laws are very clear that this is a protected zone. Hospitals and health workers need to be a protected zone. They are vulnerable. They are there to take care of their patients. They can't run away and leave their patients there. So we are growing this task force and making sure that we send a very clear message that violence in hospitals, in emergency rooms, in dental spaces is not going to be allowed. I also want to tell you about an uplifting program that is called Revive and Survive San Diego. It is led by UCSD, and this is to grow the number of people that can do CPR competently. CPR saves lives. Recently, I got retrained with my team, and I feel so much more comfortable that if something happened, I can step in and help save a life until the professionals and paramedics arrive. There's trainings that are going to be offered everywhere. Please go to Revive and Survive San Diego to look at where you can get this life-saving training and become a part of the million people that we're trying to have in San Diego that can do CPR and help us save lives. Please know that we're here for you. Just reach out if there's anything we can do to help you, and I'll talk to you next week.